tutorial number 2, the single hinge version. So you can see again I've got my boxes. Basically I'm just starting with one on top of the other. We're going to start the back on the top. I'm going to offset this up by 5mm. Find our centre. Oops. And we're going to offset. So we want to do each side to start with by 2.5. And then we'll delete that one and just turn that in a box down there. Trim each of them. So now we're going to want to copy this box each time by 5.2. Oops. Need to undo that. Try that again. 5.2. 5.2. 5.2. So we should now have 3 there. We're just going to find that middle. Oh. Select these 3 and mirror them over there. We can delete that again. So this is what we'll be at the moment. Then what we want to do is also add 0.2mm offset. We're just going to drag that to there. We're going to drag that bit. We want to bring this along here. And then this one again by 2mm. Just trim off that excess. So we'll now have an extra box that goes all the way around with an extra little gap. So what we're going to do first is select all of these bits and bring it back by 5mm. Bring that sketch back. Select them. We're just going to hide these bodies just now actually, and then select them. Bring them back by 5 so that we've got them separate. We'll put them in a box. There we go. We can hide the sketch. So what you should end up with is this basically. So now what we want to do, this middle one, we'll get that top, and we skip one, and then that one, and then again skip. So we're only taking these 3, and we want to bring them up. Actually, we would be as well selecting the whole thing like that, and bringing it up. There we go. So then we'll select these 3 and the top, and merge them together. These 4 and the bottom, and merge them together. So I'll just fix the material here. There we go. That's what we've got at the moment. So we're going to go into one of these faces in here, just so it's at the right angle, and sketch on it. Got our dead center there. Circle, again 2.2mm, and then you can either do this by creating an object and then subtracting it, or if you're using CAD modeling this way, just select that again and bring it out that side. There we go. So that's our cutout shape. So now all we need to do is round bits off. So we'll hide the top just now. And I'm going to round off all of these bits. And then all of these bits. Just do them too. And then again on the top. Actually got a bit of a gap here at the top. Yes. No, we don't. We're fine. one and those ones and round them off, and then .5. Let's see if that'll still work fine. Should do. To check it, we'll get our arrow, drag it to the centre of this circle. Oops. Put one like inside there. And then we rotate. So you can see here we still need to round this edge off. So let's come back. Here we go. It's these two end bits. There we go. We'll try that again. There we go. And what we can actually do is bring this up a tiny bit to 17.8, and again that will give us that little bit clearance we need. Oh, come on. There we go. And it will stop that from interfering quite as much. So yeah, that's your single hinge version.